Jamaica and the Windrush Generation, the journey that changed Britain. In 1948, a ship left Jamaica carrying dreams, courage, and the promise of a new beginning. Its name, the HMT Empire Windrush. What followed would forever change the face of Britain and mark a powerful chapter in Jamaica's history. This is the story of Jamaica and the Windrush Generation. After World War II, Britain was in ruins. The country needed workers to rebuild, from the railways to the hospitals. So, the British government invited people from across its empire, especially the Caribbean, to come and help. In Jamaica, many saw this as a chance for a better life. They were young, hopeful, and ready to work. On June 22, 1948, the HMT Empire Windrush docked at Tilbury in England, carrying nearly 500 passengers from the Caribbean, most of them from Jamaica. When the Jamaicans stepped off the ship, they entered a cold, unfamiliar world. They had served in Britain's military, believed in the Queen, and saw themselves as British citizens. But the welcome they received was mixed. Many faced racism, rejection, and harsh living conditions.